Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 10 and I'm so glad you're here.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose.
Okay, so currently my bed looks like an earthquake just completely destroyed it. I swear my covers just never look the same as when I got in bed versus when I get out of it. Kind of cloudy outside. I'm so tired. I don't have school till 12:10 today, but I am gonna go in early because I'm gonna have a meeting with my advisor for my thesis. I think I've explained a little bit about that, but basically it's a 12-page paper that we have to present at my school. It's like mandatory, and we have to do 3 drafts. I got my first grade back for my first draft. It was an 82. And so I need to work on my second draft before it's due next week. So yeah. I'm pretty sure my mom just made me a protein shake for breakfast. So let's go drink that. Good morning. Ooh, yum. I was talking to the camera. I'm gonna have this chocolate shake and then this banana and a hard-boiled egg for breakfast. I literally look so terrifying. I'm gonna put on some Glossier birthday balm. My hair looks so bad. I'm so sorry. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. I announced probably the biggest surprise of my life, and that is I bought a house at 17. So at the end of this video, if you haven't seen that, go watch it. I will have it on the end card, like at the end of the video, but you can also find it in the description. So anyways, it's 8:24. Like I said, I don't have class until 12:10. So my dad's sister, earlier this year, I went onto her plane. She's a pilot, and so she took me to the Grand Canyon, Las Vegas, and California, and she literally has the same personality as me. Like, I swear we're the same person because we both are like super crazy, very emotional people and love fashion and makeup. So she got me this huge bag of clothes. I guess she cleaned out her closet, and I kind of want to try some on just for fun. So I'm gonna go grab that and we'll see like what clothes there are. I haven't even looked through it yet. Really quick, while I go and get that, we're gonna have a little intermission and you can shop my merch down below. And I'm gonna show y'all all my available merch. So I'm currently wearing this one, Crackling Wood All Season. It's the first lyrics to my song called Single the Season. And I wear it with these Christmas pajamas. It's so comfy, literally the softest thing ever, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this bag is so big. I'm so excited. This literally feels like Christmas. And speaking of clothes, I have a Poshmark. Orders have been selling so fast. I still need to pack some up and ship them off today. But if you want to shop my Poshmark closet, my username is just caromanningg with 2 G's. After the video, you can do that. I got this little cheetah top. Oh, this is cute. See, I don't own any like formal dresses. Literally all of mine are from Princess Polly, and that's enough said. So this is a cute little formal dress. I like this. It's just white. Oh my gosh, shut up. This is so cute. Also, this is like bodycon. This is so cute. Look at this boho dress. Oh yes, oh my gosh, I love her coats. She has the best coats. Cute little buttons. Every time I go to Mill Valley, I always wear these.
Walking the streets of the city without the weight of someone hovering over me. Oh, it's a feeling I can't describe. Cheers to waving at so many eyes. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't happy being single this time. I know when I'm home,
Hi. Hi. Nope. Today is a move-in day. Moving out and moving in day. We're not moving. I wish we were, but we're not. We are going to help my aunt, who is my dad's sister, move out of her place and into a place. And I thought this will be fun. This will be interesting. I'm gonna be put to work. So is this girl. Yeah, so I'm in a really, really cute outfit right now. Not. We've got these pants that my aunt actually got me. The one that we're about to go see got for me. No.
She didn't got you.
She got me these.
No, she didn't got you. She got for me.
Okay, comment down below who's right. They are from Marshalls and they're the comfiest things ever.
No, they're not. They're from Old Navy.
No, they're not.
I could have swear they're from Old Navy.
Nah, babe. These are from Marshalls. They're $5.99. I remember. I had a really interesting day at school today. I can't really say it on this vlog because if I said it, I might get in trouble. So I'm gonna go tell my mom the tea. Okay, I'll see you guys once we get there. Bye.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get a number 6 meal with a Diet Coke?
11 portion, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, there you are. We took a bunch of stuff out of the cabinets and now we're gonna start wrapping it. But basically this is just the kitchen. We still need to do like clothes and stuff. How's your McDonald's?
Good. The French fries are really good.
It's good that we don't know what's actually in them.
Let's just not talk about it. So Cass and I are going to be building gingerbread houses today. We are deciding between two different ones.
So there's the Frosty the Snowman one. It has like, hopefully, wait, do you think it comes with the Frosty that's cardboard?
Maybe. Does it say?
I don't know.
Pre-baked scene setters. Maybe there is.
Maybe her.
Maybe her. And then this one is a little bit more fancier. It's the Designer Gingerbread House by Bakery Bling. And there's like people in it. So which one should we do? Also my hair is really crazy.
I don't know. Which
How long
one
does
should
it
we
take to
do?
Why don't you do sneak, snack, snook?
Schnick, schnack, schnook. Wait,
Yeah.
Uva, come
Anyways.
tell them what it is. What schnick, schnack, schnook?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock.
Ready?
Yeah, decide on that.
So,
Now it
So
counts.
wait.
if I win, then we do this.
Right.
If you win, then we do that.
Snick,
Okay,
snack,
then.
snook.
Right.
Oh.
You go. Snick, snack, snook.
Schnick, schnack, schnook. Schnick, snack, schnook. Schnick, snack, schnook. Ready?
But which
Schnick,
is which?
snack, schnook. Okay, Frosty the Snowman it is. We were already gonna do that anyways, but just to make it more fun. Oh. First we have little holly candies.
We have gumdrops.
Pebble
I
candy.
think they're like chocolate.
Yeah, maybe they're like chocolate, but they're like really tiny. This is a bag of frosting. And then we have the actual construction gingerbread thing. My nails are like not.
My nails are crusty.
So the parents are over there doing their thing. Catherine's coming home soon, by the way. Just so you know, we're gonna do the other gingerbread house with Catherine.
It smells like bananas, but like gingerbread.
Oh,
It does, doesn't it? It smells like banana bread.
so first what we're gonna do is there's like this little lining and it says to put icing all in this. We put icing on the back of the house. That is a lot of icing.
Oh my gosh, that did so good. Why is it on that?
Oh my gosh. We are so smart. Not. This is just
Okay, don't look at that side on the back. Look. Yeah! You can't push too hard though. You guys, look at our gingerbread house. She is kind of all over the place, but I think it looks really cute. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. You cut the people out, but I don't really want to do that.
Where are the people? Oh no.
So this is the front of our house. Oh no, wait, fix the gum job. She's pretty cute. Then on the sides,
We have little icicles. Oh.
little icicles. The other side looks the same. Uh-oh. There's just a dot on there. In the back, we've got a Christmas tree. Okay, wait, this turned out a lot better. It was going rough.
Looks good.
It was going really rough at first, but then we bounced back.